Welcome to my online class. Today, welcome to Mr. Bam's online class. How are you doing? So today we want to go into further mathematics, and the topic we have here is binary operations. Binary operations. Now, what is binary operation? Let me start with the word by. By means two. By means two. An operation can be addition operation, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When I say binary operation, it is a rule. It's a rule that combines two elements in a set to give another element. Binary operation is a rule that combines two elements in a set to give another element. So let me give you an example. Let's say we have a set x. Let's say we have a set x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to 10. Understand me now? And I choose two elements from this set. Let me choose maybe two. Let me choose 4 and 3, for example. 4 and 3 from this set. So I have the first element and second element. So this element 4 is an element of this set x. That is 4 belongs to x. 3 also can be found here. 4 can be found in x. 3 also can be found. 3 is an element of x. You understand what I mean now? So now, since 3 and 4 can be found in x, let me perform some operations. So this binary means 1, 2, two numbers. So let me perform some operation. Let me perform addition operation plus. Now if I add 4 plus 3, I'm going to have 7. You can see that 7 can still be found inside this set. You can see now. So sometimes the answer may not be found in the set. You understand what I mean now? So that's what we call binary operation. It's a rule that combines two elements in a set to give another element. You understand what I mean now? So that's what we call binary operation. And even sometimes you can have 3 or 4 numbers. Let's say you're having 5 plus 7 plus 9. You understand what I mean now? You can still turn it to by two numbers. What will you do? You group two numbers together. You make it 1. So this is 5 plus 7. That's 12. You can now say 12 plus 9. That's binary. You can see you have two numbers, 1, 2. And the operation is what? Addition. The operation can also be subtraction, multiplication, or division. That's what I mean now. So that's what we call binary operation. Should you get me now? Now let me explain some properties in binary operation. Let me explain closure properties. Closure properties. You understand now? Let me call this one binary operations 1. You understand? So after this class, I will do another one again. So now, what do we call closure properties in binary operation? You understand me now? Let's say we have set y equals to 1, 2, 3. Let's say up to 20. 1 to 20. And then I bring out two different elements from it. Let me bring out 12. 12 from here, and let me also bring out 5, for example. Now let me perform a subtraction operation. That's minus. 12 minus 5 is what? Is 7. This my result. Can it be found here? Yes, 7 can be found in this set. That means this result is closed. It's closed in this set. That means this operation obeys closure property. From the word closed. You understand me now? So that means this result can be found in this set. Okay, let me perform another operation. Let's say I'm having the same 12. I bring out 12 and I also bring out 10. You can see that 12 and 10 can be found here. Let me now perform a multiplication operation. That's times. 12 times 10 is what? Is 120. Can 120 be found here? No. That means this multiplication operation does not obey closure properties because this result is not closed in this set. So that's basically closure properties. Now, having known that, let me explain commutative properties. Commutative properties now. Commutative properties. It's very easy and simple. This is commutative. If I say 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 is what? Is 12. You understand? if I swap this number, let me swap it. Bring 5 here and bring 7 here. 5 plus 7, it is still 12. So this means that this obeys commutative law. Commutative means if you swap it, you are still obtaining the same results. You understand now? So that means commutative works for addition operation. Let me also check multiplication operation. Still the same elements. Same elements. Let me multiply times. 7 times 5 is what? 35. 5 times 7 is what? It is still 25. That means this obeys what's called commutative law. It works for multiplication. Let me check for subtraction operation. Subtraction minus 7 minus 5. Let me check, maybe my answer is going to be 5 minus 7. 7 minus 5 is what? Is 2. 5 minus 7 is what? Minus 2. My results are different. 2 is different from minus 2. That means commutative law doesn't work for subtraction operation. Let me check division. But this time around, let me use 10 and 5. Number that are divisible. Okay, let me see. 10 divided by 5. Let me check, maybe the answer is 5 divided by 10. 10 divided by 5 is what? Is 2. But if I take it the other way around, 5 divided by 10 is 5 over 10. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. That's 1 over 2. That's half. So I'm having half here. 2 and half are not same thing. You can see they are not same. That means commutative doesn't work for division operation. Hope you get that. So that's what we mean by commutative properties. You understand what I mean now? Now, this is commutative law. A asterisk B will still be same thing as swapping it as B asterisk A. You understand me now? If I work on my A asterisk B and the result I arrive at is the same thing as the result for B asterisk A, that means it's commutative. You understand me now? Commutative means by swapping those elements. You understand me now? Now, you may be afraid of the word aesthetic. It's very simple. Aesthetic is just talking about the operation. This can be addition, it can be subtraction, it can be multiplication, it can be that's the meaning of that aesthetic. And A and B are the two elements. Let's say 5 and 7, 2 and 5. That's what the A and B means. You understand me now? So A asterisk B means the asterisk is the operation you are performing, and A and B are the elements that you are using from a particular set. You understand me now? The set can be a real number, a set of all real numbers. You understand me now? It can be from any kind of set. You understand me now? Okay? So that's what we call commutative properties. You understand me now? So because of the time, let me stop here for now. So today we have done the definition of binary operation, and then we discuss what commutative law. We discuss commutative law and what and closure properties. You understand me now? So please make sure you notice. In my next class, I will do associative law and distributive law. So hope you enjoy the class. Thank you so much. Once again, welcome to Mr. Bam's online class. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe to my channel, to comment, and then to share. Thank you so much. Remain blessed.